Hey guys, welcome to Shazad RC Studios. Today I'm working on this project. This the kit. It's a 1/8 scale GT class nitro from WRC. This is made in Italy. You can see right here, this is the brand. And you can see right here, these are the details on the side of the box. You can see it says 1/8 scale 4-wheel drive nitro GT. It's a 2-speed automatic gears, front and rear differential, and you got the magnetic brake system and the 4.4 mm chassis. So this is the model number. Okay, so this kit, it's my project. I'm gonna build it. I'm gonna show you guys the whole project, how to build the kit. I'm gonna do the unboxing now, but what I'm gonna tell you guys with the kit does not come with the engine and whatnot. So what do you need with the kit? I'm gonna show you guys. So you buy this kit, right? You bought it. Now with the kit, you need your engine. So I bought myself this Ilassi tuned engine, also made in Italy. This is 0.21 for the GT class. With that, I needed the pipe, also gt4r V3. Now this the combo set that I bought with the engine and the pipe. And then you need your servos. So I got Protect servos. This one right here it's a 170 SBL. So this the speed one I have. I'll probably use it for the steering, not the steering, the throttle and brake. And the TBL 170, I'm gonna use it for the steering. So I don't know yet, I'm gonna figure it out what I need for the steering. So engine, servos, and then you need your receiver. And get yourself the air induction, from OS Speed. This the air filter, so I bought the OS Speed. And then you need your body. So I bought me the BT Design Hyper GT8, also made in Italy. So this is like the last stage when you build your kit. And these are the tires you need. So make sure you get the GT class tires. I got all 3 compounds, the soft, medium, and hard. And then I also got the PMT tires. So these are the P1. Okay, so the kit does not come with the menu. All right. So what do you need? You gotta download it. So what I did was I downloaded the menu. I had to print it out. So here's the menu, all 30 pages. So I'm gonna follow the instruction manual. So that's what you need to complete the kit: tires, body, engine, servos, and also I got myself the Futaba. I'm gonna use the Futaba 304, or I'll probably go with the Sanwa. So I don't know yet, but that's what you need. Okay, so what I did, because I know I was gonna do this project, so I had the options. The guy, the shop that I bought my kit from, he offered me the engine mount. I bought it. Then the safety cover for the differential, and then the aluminum servo saver. So I also got the aluminum horns for the servos, some damping springs, and these are the optional parts if you want to install while you build your kit. Like this the bumper, and also you can use this long steering for the GT4. and then the gearing. If you want to change your gearing, your stock gearing to the, so I have the 15 teeth, 19 teeth pinion gears, and then I got the spur gears, 51 teeth and the 47. So you can change that, and this the pressure chamber if you want to install. This the clutch system for the GT from Team Solar, and all the optional parts. I mean, like, you know, those the manifold spring if you need. These are just the extras I bought. And then the damping, the shock springs. So I got the yellow, and then I just got one black, but he has another black spring set for me. Okay, so, and then I bought this the smart glow igniter. When you have a body on the car, you can start the car with the body. I mean, you can start, you can use this starter plug. It's a long one. It's a glow igniter. It's a long glow igniter. You can start the car with the body, and you need yourself a wheel wrench. This is the 17 mm. So I got it from the Team Solar. So that's what you need, and let's get it going. Make sure you got your tools. I got some MIP set, the hoodie, and some pliers and some extras. So I'm using the setup board from 110 and 1/8 scale for now, because so you know, you can, you know, do your work all neat and clean. So let's unbox this, and let me take out all the parts and lay them over on the front, and get rid of the box, put it on the chair, and then we build it following the instruction manual. So keep watching. This is a fuel tank. The differential. See, it says made in Italy right there. So everything with this project, what is common about this project is that everything is made in Italy. So I thought maybe I gonna have some stuff from USA or Japan, but it's common. I think this is the clutch system, the bell, pinion, flywheel, and the engine mount. Like I said, I bought some upgrades, some optional. This is the engine mount I'm gonna use. differential. So that was the front, and I think this the rear. You can use either one. Maybe these are the shocks back. And at last, the chassis. Look at that chassis. Now this is a 4 mm thick chassis. Beautiful. I love the quality. Just to let you know, guys, that WRC, this brand, it's trending. This the GT class. A lot of people are buying. Alright, so this is the antenna they give you. So just put it on the side. And now you got your instruction menu here. You can put your chassis right there. So these parts are on the table now. So that's the GT box and all the parts that it comes with. And I printed out the manual. The manual does not come with the box. Once again, it does not come with the box. You gotta download it in your phone. And you wanna print it out, you can print them out. Or you can use your device like iPad, any other tablet. All right, so let's start. So what's on the manual? First page. So in the menu, they show you what you need. Okay. So guys, there's another thing that I want to tell you guys. The kit does not come with the fluids. All the fluids, like your differential oil, it does not come with it. You don't get no grease. You don't get no shock oil, or you don't get no diff oil, your thread lock. So for that, you gotta use your own fluids. Whatever is on the instruction manual, they recommend for the diff. That's what you need to use. So I have the oil bag. I have everything I need. I'm gonna see what we need for the differential. All right, so that's bag one. Bag one. That's what you need. Another thing that I want to show you, I put them in a sequence. So on the back, the label where it says 1, 2, 3. So I put them in a sequence. A total number of bags are 18. There are 18 bags. That bumper does not have a number, and the chassis does not have a number. So when they tell you on the instruction manual, you open bag 1. So you start from bag 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and goes up to 18. So from here 9, and then I got the 10 right there, 11, 12, goes up to 18. So you can put them this way, or you can just, follow the other way around if you want. So